ओवर द वीकेंड सादिया साहिबा जो हैं वो उनकी क्या एक्टिविटीज़ रहीं? आपको पता है शहर कराची में एक ज़बरदस्त कल्चरल फेस्टिवल मुनक़िद हुआ है और पूरी दुनिया के लोग यहाँ आ रहे हैं। तो सादिया गई वहाँ पे और सादिया ने क्या देखा और सादिया ने खुद क्या कुछ किया, वो सब आपको दिखाते हैं।
कहते हैं ना कि कल्चर ओपन्स द सेंस ऑफ ब्यूटी एंड आई एम श्योर आपने गेस कर लिया होगा कि मैंने ये इडियम भी क्यों बोला, ये मिसाल भी क्यों दी, क्योंकि मैं आई हुई हूँ वर्ल्ड कल्चरल फेस्टिवल में। वैसे तो इसका दूसरा साल है, लेकिन असल बात ये है कि इस बार यहाँ पर 100 से ज़ायद कंट्रीज़ की रिप्रेजेंटेशन है। कुछ रिप्रेजेंटेशन तो हम अपने सेगमेंट्स में आपको पहले ही दिखा चुके हैं, लेकिन 15 दिन गुजर जाने के बाद भी अभी बहुत सारा आर्ट है जो आपके साथ शेयर करने को है, बहुत सारी एक्सप्लोरेशन करने को है। तो चलिए सफ़र का करते हैं आगाज़।
As we walk here, we step around into second arabesque.
मैंने आपसे वादा किया था ना कि कुछ ना कुछ एक्सप्लोर तो हम करेंगे। थोड़ा सा तो मैंने कुछ एक्सप्लोर करने के साथ साथ सीख भी लिया है। अब जिनसे सीखा है आई थॉट उनसे आपकी मुलाकात करवा दी जाए। तो मेरे साथ मौजूद है लापा डांस कंपनी से डॉक्टर टीना। ये ग्रुप यहाँ पर परफॉर्म करने के लिए आया है कुवैत से। हेलो डॉक्टर टीना।
Good evening.
It's wonderful to see you dance over here, but I really want to know, what did I learn today?
You participated in classical ballet workshop.
That was a wonderful experience for me as well. How is so far your experience in Pakistan, especially in Karachi, in this culture festival?
My experience is the most positive one. From the warm welcome at the airport until tonight, we've been really well taken care of. The people are so welcoming and kind to us, and the organization team is really doing an amazing job.
Was it your first visit to Karachi?
Yes, it was my first visit to Karachi, and I hope not my last.
How do you like the idea of World Cultural Festival and performing in different countries, obviously, but specifically coming to Pakistan, meeting other, art performances and artists from other countries?
I think art is a great communicator, and it helps countries to get together. It speaks language which is beyond politics, and in this time of turbulence in the world, I think it's the most beautiful way for us to come together from all sorts of backgrounds, from different parts of the world, and unite in a common language of arts.
Today I met you in this workshop, and I'm sure there are a lot of people who are learning a lot, and I think it's basically the socialization that we have that makes the difference. It's like the connection we make that makes the difference. I really want to ask you, will you be able to perform here? Have you performed yet, or you still have to?
We will be performing tomorrow night at 7 p.m. So this is an opportunity to invite your wonderful audience and yourself to come and join the performance. The title is Where Words Die, and it's a tribute to journalists and media workers who's been systematically targeted and killed in Gaza.
6, 7, 8, step, kick, stop, snap, kick, stop, right, left, right, left, right, 1, 2, 2.
बहुत ही प्यारी मेहमान हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं और उनसे भी बात करेंगे, और आई एम श्योर आपको बहुत अच्छा लगेगा उनसे बात करके। मेरे साथ रोहान मौजूद हैं जिनका ताल्लुक पैलेस्टाइन से है, लेकिन ये लापा डांस कंपनी के साथ ही हैं और उनके साथ परफॉर्मेंसेस करते हैं। उनसे बात करते हैं। हेलो।
Hi, nice to meet you.
Same here. I know that you are originally from Palestine. Since how long you've been working with Lapa Dance Company?
Actually, just this year, I found out about Lapa by chance, and I've loved it ever since.
And you were in Palestine back when?
I actually live in Kuwait, and I've been born in Kuwait, born and brought up, as well as my parents.
Right.
Yeah. So
But your origin is Palestine?
yes, and also to not confuse you, I do have a Jordanian passport, which is right next to Palestine. So
Right.
this is how I'm able to live abroad.
How is the experience so far?
In Karachi,
Yes, in this
amazing. The nature is everywhere. It's so beautiful. The art on the streets, so beautiful. It's exactly like the Philippines. And it's the people are nice, the hospitality is beautiful, and I really would love to come again from the bottom of my heart.
Right. I have this one basic question that I ask almost all the guests who are visiting us from any other country, and I'm going to ask Dr. Tina about that too. Have you so far been able to taste Pakistani food?
Of course I was, and of course I fell in love with it.
Really?
And
What did you taste? Do you remember?
of course, I tasted a dish which was made of spinach and potatoes, and I loved it.
Right here when I stand and I see all the, obviously because you're performing for all the journalists who've lost their lives in Palestine. This cause is huge, and for us, giving all the news regarding Palestine and how things are turning out over there is painful, and at the same time we are hoping for best. One thing that you want to say for all the Palestinian facing all the brutality over there?
Okay. Honestly, I would say, because normally in Palestine and to each other, to all our Palestinian relatives, we always say, God be with you. So that's what I would say. God be with you. And God be with all of us, because this is something we actually say 100 times when we meet each other. So God be with you. And God be with us all. Actually. That's it.
Thank you so very much, Ron. Thank you so much, Dr. Tina. It was wonderful to host you both. तो जनाब और बहुत सारे आर्टिस्ट दुनिया भर से यहाँ आए हैं. एज आई सेड बिफोर कि 100 से ज़्यादा ममालिक से यहाँ पर आर्टिस्ट आए हैं अपनी परफॉर्मेंसेस दिखाने के लिए, अपना कल्चर हमारे साथ शेयर करने के लिए. हम उन्हें वेलकम नहीं करेंगे तो और कौन वेलकम करेगा. तो अगर आपके पास कुछ है जानने के लिए, एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए, आपके पास टाइम है और वो है 7 तारीख तक आप यहाँ पर आ सकते हैं और यहाँ से बहुत कुछ हासिल कर लेकर जा सकते हैं. सी यू.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए.